Hey friends, can you hear all those birds? They must have heard me because now they're being pretty quiet. But I'm out here by some ponds and I hear lots of birds and it's raining. And I'm gonna sing a song. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide, ah, 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 ah. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Oh, I hear him again. Maybe the next time it rains, you can go out for a nature walk too and listen for the birds. Bye.